Hey guys, Project Helen here. Final completion. I'm going to be going through a walkthrough with you guys, showing you guys the final completion of this project. All right, so right off the bat, when we come into the house, this is the entryway. You can see the built-in here on the right side of the wall. We added a floating bench here, and there's an opening divider between the living room and the entryway. We were supposed to put a glass in there. We decided to leave it. Seems to be better this way to have some proper air circulation. It's a nice built-in we added here. The entryway looks great. Gotta love the finishes and the color. And then the stairs were redone as well too, just repainted existing stairs. This is the open area. We created an open concept here. There used to be a wall in this area, and then we added some new mechanical heating and cooling system throughout the whole entire house. This is the sitting area here. This oversees the front of the house. We have the new engineer hardwood floors. And then the kitchen here, this is absolutely my favorite part. You can see the before and after. Totally transformed. This is a full gut and redone kitchen from, the layout changed to new flooring. Gotta love the backsplash tile, matching cabinet with the range hood, quartz countertop. Loving the finish. We did the same tile around the window. These are the existing window. And then on the cabinet, LED lights. Looks absolutely stunning. One thing we added to was this door. This is the other part of the kitchen area. We have the fridge in that area, some pantry, lots of cabinet storage. We have a little coffee nook section there with the outlets. And then we have these 3-inch LED pot lights. We are still waiting for the light for the ceiling to arrive. This is the main floor. I will show you guys the second floor. All right, so the second floor consists of 2 bedrooms. We have 1 bedroom here, and then we have another bedroom right across the hallway. So this is a total rehaul. We had to reinforce the structural here on the ceiling. There was a lot of water leaking, so there's a roof above this section. We had to redo all the joists, and I had it properly redone. Same thing here, new floor, new trims. We added a closet here. There was never a closet here before. The stairs, it's the same, totally redone, painted, sanded, stained. This is the bedroom. This oversees the front of the house. Totally redone as well. Again, new heating and cooling system throughout the whole entire house. And then we added a walk-in closet here. And there's the patio sliding, not patio sliding door, regular sliding pocket door, I don't know why I said patio sliding door. Pocket door here, double pocket door. This one, you go through the closet, and then you go to the bathroom. So this bathroom is my absolute favorite part of this second floor. Gotta love the floor tile. The vanity literally just came in today. We're able to pop that in. We are still waiting for the light. Vanity light should be coming in sometime next week. And then the tile, got a full floor to ceiling wall tile. And then we added able to squeeze in the shower in that area with the chrome fixtures, and then we have the niche in here as well too. Additional storage for your soaps and whatnot. And then we also have a closet here to store all the linen. And then this goes to the hallway. And another thing too we added on the second floor is stacked laundry system here as well too. Third floor here, this goes to the rooftop patio. We're not touching that. And then this third floor consists of 1 bedroom and then 1 bathroom. One of the essential feature we added to this hallway here on the 3rd floor is the skylight. It actually opens and closes with a blind, and also the skylight itself also opens and closes to get some air circulation in here on the third floor. So this is a total revamp of this space. If you see the video of the before, it was totally outdated. Got everything freshened up here, new floors, new trim work. Same thing, we added all heating and cooling system throughout the whole entire house. Have the double closet added here as well too. And then one of my favorite part of this third floor as well is the bathroom. Gotta love the bathroom finishing. This is a 3-piece bathroom. It's a curbless finish shower. You can see the transition, everything is sloped towards the shower. Gotta love the floating vanity here, LED mirror, looking absolutely stunning. We have the floor to ceiling wall tile behind the vanity. So this ceiling actually sloped, just following, so the wall, you can see it sloped following the shape of the roof. Have the toilet tucked away in that corner. And then we have the shower in here. So we have a bench in the shower. We're able to add a niche as well. And then all the chrome finish for the shower fixture. Bar drain, again, this is a curveless shower, so everything is transition free. There's no transition to go in the shower. It's just same floor that carries all the way through.